So we're gonna be updating like Ken Gushi's drift car.
Okay.
That thing, comes apart pretty frequently, so it'll be more useful.
And you guys are gonna be selling the whole kit, right? Radiator, hose.
No, well, this is just it's like a universal application.
Okay.
You have to put it together.
Oh, okay. So then you guys just whoever has it, they weld their own.
That's a spoon radiator that was already on the car, and just welded the bung.
Oh, okay.
So you cut the water neck.
You just weld it. Okay. But then it's gonna be universal.
But we will be coming out with some adapters for to bolt on to the block, and because you need that replace that hose barb to put on these sleeves.